Peace, everyone. This is Brother Chukuma one more time at Source of Life. Peace to all those who are actually watching my videos. Thank you very much for the support. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That will help us, obviously, uh, progressing a little bit more. And definitely we will give you more content, and don't hesitate to bring over your friends and family to listen to what I have to say. Might not necessarily be important for some people, but again, for those who are following this idea of uh, loving nature, uh, or a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating. This is what we are about for years. That's what I've done, encouraging not just our community, but everyone towards this journey of well-being, eating properly, exercising, and feeling good. We are in April, and I was already every day anyway. Every day, I love to watch nature around me. In the city, it's a little bit more complex because of the noise we have around, um, and because of the advertisement that we can see everywhere. Our attention is often away from nature. As a humanist and a naturalist, I don't like just to give attention to the negative things that are happening around me. I love as well meditating. I love as well concentrating within myself and look around. Especially, I love to look at herbs and flowers, trees, and that's the first thing I do when I go out every day to work. There is a lovely tree near where I live, a magnolia tree. Sorry for my accent. Amazing tree. It's pink and it's just there in front of me. The flowers, sorry, are pink and now have blossomed. And it's so amazing to look at the colors of the magnolia tree. Amazing tree. This is the first thing that I do while I come out of my place. And then I'm looking on the floor or sometime anywhere that I can to try to recognize some of the plants that I have around me that I can see. And I've noticed right now that there is a lot of plants that I love seeing, but I don't necessarily know the name of them. So from a long time when I was working in childcare, I've actually managed to preserve this book. This is an amazing book. This is a book around wildflowers, and I advise you to get, if you can't find this book, but at least another book around herbs, wild herbs and flowers. This one is by Francis Rose, and it's an excellent book because you have amazing pictures inside with the name of the flowers or the name of the herbs that we have around us, and that can help you to recognize them. I've managed to actually, uh, via the book, recognize quite few plants that I have around me or that I can see around me while walking. Uh, and some of the popular flowers or plants that I can see right now around me, I'm gonna name a few of them. You have bulbous buttercup, amazing, the bulbous buttercup, yellow, with some lovely stems. Uh, Common water crowfoot, again, I've noticed few of them while walking. So I'm not going to give you all the flowers in the book, but obviously those that I can see around me. It's another one there called lesser celandine or celandine, right? Lesser for lesser, and celandine, Celandine. It's an amazing flower, again yellow, with some lovely leaves. So let me show you again a few of them there. Garlic mustard, right? Amazing flower with an amazing smell. Not necessarily like garlic, but it's an amazing smell. Wild mignonette, that I've seen quite a lot. I've seen quite a lot of that one there. Wild mignonette. Let me, I can look at some of the common flowers or herbs I see around me. Oh, one of my favorite, and you can see them quite all over the place. Meadowsweet, very nice as well. Obviously, in during August or September, when blackberries, when blackberry are coming, you can see the beautiful flowers of the blackberry, and the blackberry is there, right? Usually we only see the leaves, and that is something that actually every time when I walk around into parks or forests, this is what I can see quite often as well. Blackberry leaves, amazing blackberry leaves. Yes, you have what we call goutweed. Goutweed, also named ground elder. It's quite often as well that I see this one, not just in the park, but you know, while you're walking near to house gardens and you're watching what's happening around you. Again, you're gonna see some of those beautiful flowers growing up. In London, another one, popular one called field bindweed. I don't know again if I see it properly, but you can see the lovely trumpet flowers again in gardens, sometimes in the park as well. There's quite a lot of them. So wild plant, and it grows quite easily everywhere. So don't hesitate to when you see some to try to recognize. Maybe take a picture if you want. What else that I can see quite a lot? I see quite a lot of dandelion leaves and flowers. Dandelion leaves and flowers. It's quite amazing as well, right? Again, the flowers when in the spring, but the leaves, I can see the leaves every time. Dandelion leaves are there quite often. You have another one called the ground ivy. This is one that I can see as well. A popular plant that I can see as well, right? Quite often. What else? Yeah, a lot of holy trees, not the holy thistle, but holy trees or holy leaves, right? It's amazing as well. Those leaves are all over the place. Be careful when you hold them, obviously, they can sting. Like the nettle, obviously. I remember when I was a child, it was always a pleasure to um, to watch nettle, to touch the nettle a little bit and to feel that little stinginess. Uh, that's amazing. What else again? It's one that I was looking for earlier to show. I've shown that one already. Oh, two of my favorite, agrimony and ladies mantle. Again, yellow flowers. Amazing. You can find them quite often around you. So please don't hesitate, if that is the case, to buy a small book, something that you can just put in your pocket. You can also use Google if you want. It's a little bit more complicated. However, by having a pocket book on you, that will be much more easier for you to try to obviously find those flowers, name them, the information are there, don't hesitate, have fun, because in this community, what we call holistic community, a lot of us are talking, but we cannot give the right information on our observation of nature, or we can't even recognize whatever uh, we we are advising to people to take in terms of herbs or flowers. It's a bit lazy for some. I remember watching a Dr. CB DVD, and I'm agree with him when he's saying some of us are armchair student or armchair teacher. We're just sitting, looking at social media um, or TikTok, and we are not out there experiencing, watching all those amazing plants around us that we are pretending that they can cure uh, disease or sickness. The first thing we should do at least is to give to others, especially to the little ones, uh, the, the joy or the passion to look at nature, because nature is really important for our ecosystem, and we are grateful to still have some left in cities. In a big city like London, you have a lot of great park to go to. You have a lot of great places uh, small woods that you can go and bring your family, friends, especially children, to enjoy nature around. And if you obviously have the chance to have a garden, that's fantastic. To breathe oxygen and to be able to see something different, but just brouhaha and the noise around us. So don't hesitate. It's always great to be with you. This is Brother Chukuma. Again, if you want to put a comment in the comment section, please do so. And have a great day. And don't forget as well to stay healthy. Joy and happiness is the key. Peace to everyone. One love. Peace.